2 for Tuesday double update. It's your boy Soul Guys TV, Millie. I'm back with another one. So Elon Musk says the Fed needs to drop the rate by 50 BPS. Let me know in the comments how parabolic the crypto space would go if we got a pivot like that. I mean, a cut of 50 BPS would be wow for the market. In fact, let's actually tune into the CME Fed Watch 2 here. You can see right now, in May, they're actually starting to price in a pause here, and also, family, a pivot and cut. So maybe, you know, Elon Musk is not crazy. He is the most wealthiest man in the world, so you got to know his stuff. If we go to the upcoming FOMC meeting, you can see that the market is pricing in a 84.9% chance of a 0.25 rating and a 15% chances of a pause. So a lot of people feel like Jay Powell is going to come out a little bit hawkish to tame the markets. He don't want the markets to go too crazy yet, because we are fighting a ongoing fight here, family, with inflation. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. What's interesting is that we got an analyst here, Bo Pei, an analyst at the U.S. Tiger Securities. He's saying that the Bitcoin bull run has already started. He's saying that the bull run has already started, and that you could see Coinbase triple within the next few months. So he's saying you can see Coinbase here going from 60-70 bucks to over 200 in the next few months, as we could be confirmed here with a bull run, which is interesting because we're seeing a lot of these so-called experts making some wild claims. I mean, Balaji said a Bitcoin could hit 1 million in 90 days, and now we got the analyst here for the U.S. Tiger Securities, Bo Pei, saying that the bull run has already started. Let me know in the chat if you feel like the bull run has commenced. Taking a look here at the VIX. So the VIX is still, consistently in the 20s. We really haven't got that spike up that tells us that we'll be getting a lot of pain, which would be great for opportunists like myself that's waiting for the pain. But again, we didn't get that flat line to maybe, between 18 and 15, which confirms that we could potentially be in a bull cycle. So the VIX is pretty, it's trading pretty sideways. Not a lot of action on a VIX, which, it's a analytical tool for the market volatility. So if the volatility picks up towards the upside, we can see some pain in the market. But if the volatility here picks up to the downside, maybe we get some type of consistency here on what the experts are saying about potentially headed into a bull run. So I do like to keep an eye on the VIX. I want to also point out here on the DXY that on the daily charts there was a pending head and shoulders here with the DXY, inverted head and shoulders. What could have if we got this would have been extremely bearish for crypto and even the traditional market. But family, this is why people are bullish. You can see here that the shoulders, the shoulders right here, we never broke, right? We never broke this resistance. We never broke this resistance. And this is the head. So what you would normally wait for is for these resistance, these shoulders here, to be broken to the upside, right? But we got rejected at the shoulder resistance, and as you can see right here, we've been trending to the downside, which is extremely bullish for the entire crypto space. So again, man, we got a lot of stuff going on to be positive for inside the crypto space. I just thought that was interesting because I didn't see this originally until I actually broke down the daily chart. I'm like, oh snap, the DXY had an inverted head and shoulders, what could have been bullish for the DXY, but there was no strength here at the right shoulder, and we got rejected at the right shoulder, and now you can see the DXY actually falling down. So maybe, family, it's like we're getting all the bullish signs here headed into Q2 and Q3. So again, the SPX, right, SPY 500, you can see right here was on an uptrend, right? What we'll be looking for is this retest of the uptrend to confirm that we are still in this uptrend, which again could be bullish for crypto. But we've seen that Bitcoin here has for the most part for the last few weeks decoupled here from the traditional stock market. So just, very interesting here that we have to see this retest. So the FOMC is going to be huge, family, because we want to see the retest on the weekly, and we want to break this resistance here to the upside. Now, a lot of people think we will get rejected here as we retest this uptrend, and the downside, I've heard a lot of people say we could fall to 36, which is right around here, which is the low of this current pattern here, so the beginning of the pattern. So a lot of people feel like we're going to get rejected here, and we could end up here at 36. So if we get rejected here, and if cryptos, follows history, right, which is, kind of like following the traditional markets, we could see more pain if, family, we get a hawkish J Powell. Now, a lot of this all falls under this meeting right here. They got the meeting, they got it ready for y'all, you feel me? So we'll just have to wait on the information, which will come out tomorrow, which would really set up a lot of longs or shorts. I mean, a lot of people don't understand how important tomorrow really is. And Bitcoin on the weekly chart is looking extremely bullish. Again, same pattern as the DXY, inverted head and shoulders. The only difference is, family, is Bitcoin broke the resistance at the shoulders and now is moving to the upside. So what traders are waiting for is they're waiting for a retest of the shoulder, which could prove to be a great position to open up a long headed to the upside. I'll personally be waiting on a retest, but if we don't get a retest, I told y'all the other day that I was feeling FOMO just looking at this head and shoulder patterns. It looks like it want to complete, fully complete this pattern here and put some arms up here going to the upside, which would put us around 45,000, anywhere between 39 and 47,000. So I don't know, family, I don't know, but look at the strength of the volume, which tells me maybe we don't have to wait for the retest of the shoulder and we can just start to long from here. So if a lot of people was looking for entry points, I personally would wait for a retest of the shoulder. Let me make sure this is, what chart is this to be, what time frame? Okay, we on the weekly time frame. So full transparency, these plays take a little minute to play out here, but we are in a weekly time frame. I would wait for a retest and then long if we bounce off the retest, which means we just turned this shoulder line here into support, and that would say that we turned 23.5 now would be our support, and we can head to the upside. So you got two options. You can long here on the belief that the Fed is going to be dovish, or you can wait for the retest. Usually we get the retest, and for the people that's holding Bitcoin, don't sell the retest, not financial advice. So that's what we got going on with the crypto space. I'll keep my eye on some projects like Tectonic. We got some videos on Tonic coming out. I like what I'm seeing from Tonic here, though we did get a double bottom on Tonic, but we didn't break the neckline here in the double bottom. So you can see here, technically, family, still in that choppy mood right here, chopping across the 0.5 and the 382. Technically, we're still bullish since the last uptrend, as long as we're over 6016. So I'll keep my eye on Tonic. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me drop some more Tonic videos. I'll be looking for some more Tonic news here. And family, we did get a post from the official Dogelon Mars Twitter here, and they posted funny, right? Everybody talks about the geometria, and they post the geometria in the picture. So yeah, they love to play upon the little narratives, man. I love the mysteriousness of this project, but very, very, very funny. If you know, if you're part of the Elon community, you know where this is going, but it's just ironic that they post a picture with the geometria here. So again, y'all let me know what y'all think. The market will be volatile in the next few days. What will the Fed do? Let me know in the comments. Bitcoin, just to let you guys know that we could potentially be in a bull run. Bitcoin is up 83% since the cycle lows. So the cycle lows was around 15,000, literally up 83%. For the people that loaded up at 15K, man, you're looking like you're possibly on your way to a 2x with the daddy Bitcoin. So what would the Fed do? Let me know in the comments what y'all think.